Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Legrand OnQ 9-inch dual-purpose in-wall enclosure. This isn't just another electrical box, it's a sleek, modern solution for organizing your home's entertainment and networking systems. Imagine a clean, clutter-free wall behind your TV. No more tangled wires or unsightly boxes hanging down. The OnQ enclosure makes that a reality. Designed for seamless in-wall installation, this box neatly houses your Apple TV, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or any other streaming device, along with your networking components. But it's not just about hiding wires, it's about optimizing your setup. The enclosure boasts a removable mounting plate, offering 1.5 inches of extra elevation. This is perfect for accommodating larger devices while still leaving ample room inside for cables and other components. You can customize the internal layout to suit your specific needs, providing a truly flexible solution. This isn't just a basic plastic box either. It's crafted in the USA from Wi-Fi transparent material, ensuring optimal performance for your wireless devices. The design allows for easy cable access and ventilation, keeping everything cool and running smoothly. It's compatible with a variety of TV wall mounts, giving you maximum flexibility in your home theater arrangement. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, the OnQ enclosure offers a simple yet elegant solution. Installation is straightforward and designed to work with both new construction and retrofit projects. This ingenious device offers versatility and compatibility with many modern technologies. The OnQ enclosure is available at a reasonable price, offering exceptional value for its features and quality. So, if you're looking to tidy up your home entertainment system and create a more organized, modern look, the OnQ dual-purpose in-wall enclosure is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech and home improvement reviews.